According to the National Center for Education Statistics, only 25% of high school students report receiving any formal instruction on personal finances. This statistics highlights the significant flaw in our education system and echoes the scenario many young adults face today. Imagine a high school graduate who can quote Shakespeare, solve complex equations, and explain photosynthesis, yet struggle to cook a basic meal or manage monthly budget. Growing up with a single father taught me the importance of being self-sufficient. By the age of 12, I was able to cook, clean, and I was helping manage some of the household bills. My father provided the money, and I just made sure everything was paid. This invaluable experience taught me practical skills that I now see as essential, skills I believe should be taught in school. Let us consider the consequences of lacking practical skills. According to an article titled Adult Obesity Facts, published by the CDC on May 2024, obesity increased from 30.5% in the 2000 to 41.9% in 2020. One major contributing factor is students without prior cooking skills often rely on unhealthy or processed foods. These poor diet choices can lead to chronic diseases such as obesity, vascular complications, and diabetes. Additionally, many young adults lack knowledge, forcing themselves to make poor dietary decisions and based on convenience rather than nutrition. Another consequences of lacking practical skills is financial instability. Students who are not taught how to budget are likely to spend beyond their means, misuse credit cards, and incur significant debts during their early years. This financial literacy can impede on achieving key milestones such as purchasing a home, saving for retirement, or starting a business. Often this is due to lack of understanding about interest rates and the ability to know between wants and needs when it comes to spending. Moreover, the inability to execute day-to-day tasks can negatively impact individuals' mental health. Stress, anxiety, and low self-esteem often stem from the inability to manage adult responsibilities, issues that practical education can alleviate. Without the knowledge to handle everyday needs, young adults may be embarrassed or feel like failures, leading to diminished motivation and lack of confidence. It's imperative to acknowledge the importance of skill education. Our school currently emphasizes student academic performance and testings, often at the expenses of essential skills. According to an article by the Financial Samurai published in October 2024, university educated mothers spend about 120 minutes while fathers spend 85 minutes a day with their children. Many parents lack the necessary knowledge to teach these lessons, and they assume schools will provide this type of education. Practical knowledge and understanding of real-world operations are often underestimated in our society. Our education forces heavily on abstract learning, whereas our education focus heavily on abstract learning, whereas preparing for practical life skills is significant. Career education, while less academic, equips students to become more independent, responsible, and thriving adults. So, what is the solution? More emphasis should be placed on teaching life skills starting at middle to high school levels. Classes should include sessions on cooking, sourcing food, and meal planning and nutrition knowledge. Activities such as planning a meal on a limited budget or creating a weekly menu could be incredibly beneficial. Financial literacy should be taught through games, real life scenarios. Students need to learn how to write a checkbook, manage an online account, or create a monthly budget. Understanding taxes and managing credit, real life stimulations like paying a bill or handling a mock paycheck would enhance the practical applications of these skills. A message to students, parents, and educators: changes must happen within the curriculum to better prepare students for real world. Students can voice their needs and opinions at school boards. Parents can lobby for school programs and necessary fundings. Teachers can develop engaging practical lessons that imply life situation. Community participation is essential to ensuring life skill education becomes permanent and valuable component in our education system. I urge you today to support the change.org petition titled Mandate Financial Literacy in High Schools to Empower the Next Generation. By signing this petition, you can contribute to equipping future generation with essential financial skills and empowering and transforming their lives. As I conclude, remember the graduate who is confident in academic achievement, yet clueless about cooking dinner or paying rent. This should be the standard reality for adults of tomorrow. Practical skills are not merely optional or add-ons. They're essential components of an education that genuinely prepares students for life beyond classrooms. Introducing cooking and budgeting lessons in schools is not a luxury. It's a necessary equipment for students to meet the challenges of the real world confidently. Thank you.